Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's topic, I'm going to show you how you can download customized TikTok data from your TikTok account. If you want to download your customized data from your TikTok account, then keep watching this full video and after that you will easily download your TikTok data. So before starting my video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, go to your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now at the top you can see three horizontal lines. Simply tap it here. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now at the very first option you can see account. Just tap it here. And down the bottom you can see a second last option, download your data. Tap it here. Now page my screen you can see. Select data to download. All data. Your files can be including things like your account info and setting, your post on TikTok, your activities such as likes, comments, favorites and watch history, your direct messages. If you want to download selective data, simply tap at all data and down the bottom you can see a second option, custom. Choose the custom one. The page at screen you can see in the custom profile and photos. Second one is activity and third one is messages. For example, and want to download just messages. Simply tap it messages and tap it done. Now your request has been gone and within 2 to 3 days your data will be available at here in the download data. And look at my screen, you can see my last request was on April 16, 2022. Now in between 2 to 3 days that request which we submitted today, it will be appears in here and it will be notified you. Like this you can easily customize, download your data from your TikTok accounts. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.